All about porcelain countertop slabs, pros and cons. Dear friends, porcelain countertop slabs are becoming a popular choice in modern homes, thanks to their sleek look and high performance. These slabs are made from refined clay and natural minerals, fired at extremely high temperatures to create a dense and durable surface. One of the biggest advantages of porcelain slabs is their exceptional durability. They are resistant to scratches, heat, stains, and UV rays, making them ideal for kitchens, bathrooms, and even outdoor countertops. You can place hot pans directly on the surface without worrying about damage. Porcelain countertops are also non-porous. This means they do not absorb water, oil, or bacteria, making them very hygienic and easy to clean. A simple wipe with a damp cloth is usually enough to keep them looking new. In terms of design, porcelain slabs offer a wide variety of finishes and patterns. They can mimic natural stones like marble, granite, or concrete, giving you a luxurious look without the high maintenance of natural materials. However, porcelain slabs do have some drawbacks. They can be expensive compared to traditional countertop materials. Installation also requires skilled professionals, as the slabs are thin yet heavy and can crack if handled improperly. Another limitation is edge finishing. Porcelain slabs may not offer as many decorative edge options as stone countertops. In conclusion, porcelain countertop slabs are a stylish, durable, and low-maintenance option. If installed correctly and within budget, they can be an excellent long-term investment for your home. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more useful and interesting information, subscribe to Engineer Ajay Lod's channel, How to Make My House.